Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for Everyone. Aldol is a product formed when two molecules of ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom react in the presence of aqueous alkali. Even though ketones give ketols, compounds containing keto and alcohol group, the general name aldol condensation applies to the reactions of ketones due to the similarity with aldehydes. We are here to discuss aldol condensation product of CH3CO CH3 acetone. A compound must undergo certain conditions to undergo aldol condensation. There must be the presence of carbonyl group. There must be the presence of alpha hydrogen atom. The reaction should take place under that basic environment. What is alpha hydrogen? Carbon which is attached to the functional group is called alpha carbon. So here in ketone, CO group is the functional group. So the carbon which is attached to the carbonyl group. So this carbon or this carbon. This considers the alpha carbon. So here the hydrogen atom which is attached to the alpha carbon is called alpha hydrogen. So here we have 3 and here we have 3. So total 6 hydrogen, alpha hydrogen present in acetone. Since 2 molecules are involved in aldol condensation, there are 2 molecules involved in aldol condensation. So this takes place in the presence of dilute barium hydroxide. So this is a base. So this OH minus ions. So here you can see about that. Let us take about that only one molecule of acetone. So this is alpha carbon and this is also alpha carbon. So this is the alpha hydrogen. So this alpha hydrogen is highly acidic. So due to that, this acidic hydrogen is readily came along with that OH minus ion. So we can write it CH2 minus and form that carbon ion. It is act as a nucleophile. Look at the second molecule. So this carbon partially positive and this partially negative. So this carbon acts like a electrophile. So this is the electrophilic center. Now this electrophilic center attack that carbon ion. So that is a nucleophilic center of this nucleophile, resulting in the formation of 1CC bond formation. So we can write C and then double bond O, CH3 and CH3. For better understanding, we will rewrite this compound and keeping this CO CH3 in the first position. Then this is attached to another C double bond O, then CH3, CH3. Now this compound undergo protonations. So protonation takes place. This H plus will attach to this oxygen and form that alcohol, that is a ketone formation. CH3, C. So this will form OH group and then here CH2, here CH3, then C double bond O, CH3. So we can name that compound. In the fourth position, hydroxy group. So 4 hydroxy and then in the fourth group we also have that methyl group, 4 methyl. So CO group in the second position. So 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl, pentane 2, 1. It's also called ketol because one ketone group is present, C double bond O, and then OH group is also present. So this is called ketol. This readily undergo dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. So here this OH group and that acidic hydrogen. So which is the acidic hydrogen here? So this carbonyl group is here. So this is the acidic hydrogen. So one hydrogen atom and then one OH minus ion. So totally it will leave like minus H2O and resulting in the formation of aldol condensation product. So we can write CH3, C, then now it becomes CH. Because of that, this will become double bond CH3, C double bond O, CH3. We have that in the third position, one double bond and that keto group is present in the second position. 4-methyl pent 3-ene 2,1 is the IUPAC name for that aldol condensation product. Thanks for watching.